Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out this Orsda cat toy. So I have a couple cats, Boogie and Thomas, super playful, and they're always looking to try out new toys. So here we go. That's it for the box. The box feels kind of heavy there. All right. So let's see what we got here. Looks like a little, this little fishing wand here. Some nice bright colors. Alright, so play with that. Get some real lifelike action there with these toys. Also, this extends out, so obviously you don't have to get too close to the cats if you don't want to. And really kind of dangle it out there in front of them so they can play with it. This cord is super strong too. It's like a plastic, like heavy duty, like fishing line there, kind of. So pretty burly, and this is flexible and sturdy as well. So these are kind of like a bite proof. They should be kind of durable so the cats can't just shred them right away. Check out these toys here. Got all kinds of little strings on there and stuff. There's that. We got a little, looks like a little sea lion looking thing. A little birdie. A little worm. Like, almost like little fishing lures here. That one's squeaky. It's got a little... Oh, my cats had one before like this, but it was a little mouse. And it made that noise. Oh my goodness. They could not get enough of that toy. Alright, so we just got this little hook here. That's cool. You just hook them up there and kind of dance them around, drag them on the floor. Of course, cats would love that. Both these have a little... Oh, it's got a little squeaky thing in there too. It's got a little rattle. This just looks like a little bug that would love to play with, of course. And then we have this happy little cactus looking guy there. Anyways, enough of what I think about them. Let's see what the cats think about them, shall we? Let's go get Boogie and Thomas to see if they want to play. Alright, so this is Boogie. His actual name is Booger, but we call him Boogie for short. It's easier to say, I guess. And the reason for that is when he was younger, we got him and Thomas from a little cat rescue shelter. Anyways, he had like a kind of a nose infection, and yeah, he always had little boogers all over his nose, always sneezing all the time. So we took him to the vet and got some medicine for him, and he was all better. So no more boogers, but the name kind of stuck with him. And he's just a really good cat, super friendly, super affectionate, super loving, very smart. Both these cats, this is Booger, very smart, although he got that silly look on his face right now. Both him and Thomas, when they were playing with this toy, made that little silly face. So it was pretty funny. He's a little bit on the heavier side, so he can play a lot, but sometimes he's just kind of relaxing. But he's a great cat, super, super loving and affectionate. It's amazing how opposite our cats are. Here's Thomas. Boogie's super outgoing. He's got the long hair. They're completely opposite. Thomas is shy most of the time. He's kind of like timid. He'll act like he's afraid of us sometimes. Short hair, obviously. Kind of thinner, but he's super loving also and affectionate. But yeah, they get along really well. They're not, I don't think they're not litter mates, but we got them at the same time from the shelter. So yeah, I'm glad we got both of them because it would have been, they're like best buddies. They go out and play together in the yard and do everything. So they're really good cats. Just couldn't be more opposite, it seems like, as far as how their personalities and stuff. And if you have cats, you know how different their personalities are, of course. Um, so it's funny when we put him away at night. We have a little tree house out in the backyard, and we let him sleep out there at night. And Thomas, right about time to go, he'll just follow you out there. Boogie will, when he knows it's time to go, he'll run from you and hide and stuff. So, so we have to carry Boogie out into the treehouse, but Thomas will just follow us out there. And yeah, they're opposites, but they're like both really good cats. So they don't scratch up the furniture or anything like that. They're just really well behaved. Seem like they're super understanding. Like whatever we say. Boogie is usually my model cat for most of my cat product videos. I mean, he seems to know exactly what to do. Like he's like, hey, I need you to drink from this cat water fountain or something like that, and he'll just come right over and start drinking from it like right away. It's like he knows what to do all the time. So yeah, they're just both a lot of fun. Just like I said, really good cats. They're both. We've had them for a little over 4 years now, and yeah, we really enjoy them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Um, the cats really like these toys. I mean, they're really playful. Um, Thomas seems to enjoy the little bug one too a lot more, the most, as well as Boogie. So I guess they're not too different in that. Some of the toys have little squeaky effects to them. Earlier, a while ago, we had a little mouse toy for Thomas that would squeak, and he would even growl at us when we tried to take it away from him. That was his little toy. So um, you can even just hang this the fishing pole type part right in a couch or something like that, and the cats will just play with it as they go by and swing in. But this one right here, this little, it looks like like a little dragonfly. Now that's Thomas's favorite toy. He was dragging it all over the living room and hiding it and carrying it around and stuff. So he really enjoyed it, and we really enjoyed watching them play with it. So um, yeah, so a lot of fun they had, and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Get it, Boogie. Get it. Oh, good job. Oh, are you tired? Are you tired, Boogie? You really like that little one there. Get it, Boogie. Get it. Get it. Looks like Thomas is in a lot more playful mood, huh, buddy? Look. Boogie. Ready? Boogie! We go, buddy! Come on! Alright, well, as you can see, my friends, cats really seem to enjoy these, especially this little, that little one with the feathers. They really like that one, especially Thomas. That's his little favorite toy right there. Boogie's a little shy right now. Boogie, come on, bud. Come here. Come on. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's tired. Come on, buddy. It's okay. You want to play or you want to go away to bed? It's a handsome baby. So if you guys are looking for some toys for your furry friends, look no further than this little set. Seems like they quite enjoy it, especially Thomas is being super playful. He finds like he gets a special little one and then he just like kind of like plays with it all the time. So good kitties. All right, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day and we'll see you next time. Thomas, okay, up, up, ready, up, 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 up. Ah, good kitty. Let's see Boogie's. Boogie, get it, Boogie, get it. Oh, oh my, get it, Boogie, get it. Oh, he's like, it's bath time, I don't care. Tommy, okay, Thomas, it's on you, it's on you. Oh, good job, Boogie. Get it, Boogie. Get it.